Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add a coming soon page on Squarespace step by step. Whether you're preparing for launch, redesigning your site, or just working behind the scenes, a coming soon page keeps your visitors informed and builds excitement. We'll cover two methods, one using a landing page and another using password protection. Both ideal if you want to hide your Squarespace website during development or simulate Squarespace maintenance mode. Let's get started. Method 1. Use a cover page or landing page as your home page. Step 1. Create a new page. Log into your Squarespace account and open your dashboard. Go to Pages, then scroll to the Not Linked section. Click the plus button and choose Blank Page or Cover Page. A great way to create a minimal landing page on Squarespace. Name it something like Coming Soon or Under Construction. Step 2. Design the page. Add a bold heading like Launching Soon or We're Building Something. You can include a Coming Soon banner, short message, your logo, social media links, or even an email capture form in Squarespace to start building your subscriber list early. Use page sections and style settings to match your brand. Step 3. Set it as the home page. Hover over the new Coming Soon page and click the settings icon. Scroll down and enable Set as Homepage. Hit Save. Now your Coming Soon page is live. Visitors will only see this page, while the rest of your site stays hidden in the Not Linked section. Method 2. Use site-wide password protection. This method is perfect if you want to enable Squarespace maintenance mode or block access entirely during your build. Step 1. Go to Site Availability. From the main dashboard, click Settings, then Site Availability. Step 2. Enable password protection. Select Password Protected, enter a password, and write a short message like Site Coming Soon or Check Back Soon. Click Save. This will password protect your Squarespace site, and only users with the password can view it. And that's it. That's how to add a Coming Soon page on Squarespace. Whether you need a simple under construction page or a secure password-protected site during development. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.